there, everybody. Welcome. My name is Lucia Ferrara, and I am Director of Hospitality here at the Precious Blood Renewal Center. And today, I am excited to share with you a recipe that I've been doing for quite a long time, and I call it my fall Cauliflower Loaded Casserole. And the reason why I call it that is because I have here, let me tell you what I have for my ingredients. So I've got 1 head of cauliflower, a large one, okay? And what I did was I cut it up, and as you can see here, I cut it up and I've already steamed it, okay? So I steamed it, and then I put it in this bowl. Then I have an 8-ounce package of chopped or sliced baby Bella mushrooms, okay? And then I went ahead and cooked or fried about 6 to 8, roughly, you know, depends on how much bacon you like. I went ahead and fried about 6 to 8 slices of bacon, and then I crumbled it up, okay? So we're going to use that in the recipe. Then I chopped some chives. And depending on how you like chives, you can use anywhere from 2-3 tablespoons to 5 tablespoons. It kind of depends on your taste, okay? And then I've got here 2 cloves of minced garlic. I freshly minced it myself. We got salt and pepper. I've got a 1/2 cup here of mayonnaise ready to go. I've got a 1/2 cup of sour cream ready to go. And then I've got some shredded Monterey Colby Jack cheese. Now about the cheese, you can use any cheese that you like. If you don't like Colby Jack and Monterey, well then use Swiss. Or if you like Gouda, or if you like Havarti cheese, or Parmesan. It's really up to you. I think this has a really good taste with it. You maybe want to add another cheese to it. But here we have 2 cups, okay? So what we're going to do is, first, I've already turned my oven on to 350 because we're going to bake this from anywhere from 20 minutes to 30 minutes, depending on how hot your oven is, okay? So first of all, what I'm going to do is put my sour cream in here, in my bowl. All right. Put all the goodness of the sour cream. Real simple. This is a great fall casserole dish that you could take to Super Bowl parties, or you can take it to just a party or get together, potluck, whatever, okay? And we're gonna kind of mix those things together, fold them in, and then we're gonna take our garlic and put it in there, okay? Put that garlic in there, all right? Then we're gonna put 1/2 of this, so approximately about 1 cup, okay, of the cheddar in your mixture here. We're going to save this other 1/2 to put on top. Then we're going to add a little bit of the chives, 1/2 of the chives in there. Okay, we're going to fold it together. All right, super easy, super fast, and really good. Okay. Then I'm going to add some salt and pepper, whatever you like to your liking. Okay, and then I'm going to add 1/2 of the bacon in here, because we're going to use the other 1/2 for the topping of the casserole. Okay, now we've got this all mixed up really good together. Really easy. And you know, you'd be surprised, kids love this. Okay, so we got that all together. Now, I have my bowl of cauliflower, right? So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to add the mushrooms to it, all right? And they should all be sliced and cleaned, okay? And I'm going to add my mixture in little at a time. And we're just gonna fold this in like so. Make sure everything gets covered, okay? Just make sure it gets covered. We're gonna keep adding a little bit more. And you know, this is also good if you want to use this as a side to, like, I don't know, you're going to have a steak one night. You can make this as a side. You can use it with chicken cutlets, pork cutlets. I mean, it's even fish. So yeah, I mean, it's a really good, simple recipe to make. Like I said, it's a quick one. As long as you have all your ingredients, it's very quick. Okay, so I'm going to add the last of the sour cream mixture. Right. And give it another good fold. All right. That looks like it's really coated. All right. So now what we're going to do, I've prepared a, I don't know, about a 9 by 13 casserole dish if you have one. And I sprayed it with the oil, the non-stick stuff. All right. So then I'm just going to put this in my casserole dish. Put every little bit in there. Okay. All right. Kind of spread it around here. All right. So now that's all good and in there. I'm going to put the rest of the cheese. I'm going to sprinkle it on there. Okay. I mean, if you want to use more than 2 cups, go ahead. It depends on how cheesy you like it. Okay. And then I'm going to add the rest of the crumbled bacon. Who doesn't like nice crispy bacon, right? And just look how pretty that looks. If you went to a party and took it, or had a potluck, doesn't that look great? And then you sprinkle the rest of your chives. It almost reminds me of a loaded baked potato. But you know what? Why couldn't you substitute? Well, you could actually add potatoes if you wanted. Who says you couldn't? And if you did that, you could boil a couple of potatoes and then put them in there. You know, chop them up, slice them up. Okay, it was just a quick thought. I thought, all right, guys, this is ready to be put in the oven. So like I said, depending on your oven temperature, it can vary, 20 minutes to 30 minutes, okay? So we'll be back. All right, everyone, hot out of the oven. Look at this. Is that not beautiful or what? It really smells good too. So It's time to go get your friend, your neighbor, your family, whoever's in the house or around the house. Tell them to come eat, come to the table and eat. But before you put it on the table, I want to share this beautiful, I guess it's a prayer. It's from a book. The author is Edward Hayes, and he has a book full of different prayers and things. And this one is Autumn Psalm of Contentment. So I wanted to share this with you because we're going to be going into the autumn season here in the next couple of days, really. So I thought this was kind of appropriate for today. Autumn Psalm of Contentment. O sacred season of autumn, be my teacher, for I wish to learn the virtue of contentment. As I gaze upon your full-colored beauty, I sense all about you and at-homeness with your amber riches. You are the season of retirement, of full barns and harvested fields. The cycle of growth has ceased, and the busy work of giving life is now completed. I sense in you no regrets. You've lived a full life. I live in a society that is ever restless, always eager for more mountains to climb, seeking happiness through one more and more possessions. As a child of my culture, I am seldom truly at peace with what I have. Teach me to take stock of what I have given and received. May I know that it's enough, that my striving can cease in the abundance of God's grace. May I know the contentment that allows the totality of my energies to come to full power. May I know that, like you, I am rich beyond measure. As you, O autumn, take pleasure in your great bounty, let me also take delight in the abundance of the simple things of life, which are the true source of joy. With the golden glow of peaceful contentment, may I truly appreciate this autumn day. So I leave that with you today. Autumn contentment. And with that being said, I am going to put some on here for my friend, and then some on here for myself. Okay. All right. And set that aside. And I also made a fresh loaf of bread this morning. So we're going to add a slice of wonderful bread to our dish here. It's still kind of warm. Okay, so here we go. Let's taste. Very good. I can taste the crunchiness of the bacon, and you don't want your cauliflower to be very soggy either. And this is just perfect. So go, enjoy, and have a great day. We'll see you next time.